we now?
Oh, it's video.
Yeah, we're on the boat. It's called Zhang Bo Zai or something. Yeah. We're tourists. Yeah. With this famous Hong Kong symbol. Yeah, we're doing this harbor cruise. Hey? Look at this. Hey, more.
One more bite.
One more bite. Yeah, this boat is very comfortable, and Saki loves it, and she would love to do it again. Are you feeling cold?
A little bit.
A little bit? Oh, but you have a blanket for you?
Yes.
Yeah, it's comfy. Hi, I'm gonna keep you company soon. And it has a nice view here. So the background is actually the Hong Kong side, alongside with the convention center. Oh, my baby is getting tired. She just arrived Hong Kong and she didn't get a lot of sleep last night. Right, that's it.